Imagine a critical minerals mining company trading at just $4.65 per share that just secured a $35 million 2026 budget from Ambler Metals LLC, received $35.6 million investment from the U.S. Department of Defense, and holds 50% interest in the Upper Kobuk mineral projects. 448,217 acres in Alaska's Ambler mining district containing massive copper, zinc, cobalt, lead, gold, and silver deposits. A company with one-year analyst price target of $7.80 representing 68% upside, recently upgraded to buy by Cormark, and positioned as a critical national security play as America races to reduce dependence on China for strategic minerals. This stock has been on a roller coaster, surging 339% from its $1.06 52-week low to an $11.29 high before pulling back to current levels. But here's what makes this compelling. The Alaska Industrial Development and Export Authority just executed right-of-way permits for the Ambler Access Road, the 211-mile infrastructure project that's essential for transporting minerals from their Arctic and bornite deposits. Trump administration announced plans for more historic deals with the U.S. mining sector to boost domestic critical mineral production. Pentagon's $35.6 million investment validates the strategic importance of their copper-cobalt zinc resources for national defense, EV batteries, and AI data centers requiring massive copper infrastructure. With copper demand exploding from AI data centers, federal support accelerating under domestic mining initiatives, and the Ambler Road permits secured after years of regulatory battles, could this beaten-down critical minerals stock deliver extraordinary returns as America's mining resurgence accelerates? Before I reveal which critical minerals company I'm analyzing, welcome to Smart Investing. I uncover undervalued mining, commodities, and resource stocks with strategic assets and government backing Wall Street overlooks. If you want opportunities in critical minerals and domestic mining, hit that like button and subscribe. Now let me show you this strategic metals play. The company I'm analyzing today is Trilogy Metals Incorporated, trading on NYSE American under ticker symbol TMQ. Trilogy Metals is a metals exploration and development company focused on advancing critical mineral projects in Alaska. Founded in 2004 and headquartered in Vancouver, Canada, Trilogy holds 50% interest in Ambler Metals LLC, which owns 100% of the Upper Kobuk mineral projects in northwestern Alaska's Ambler mining district. The UKMP includes two major deposits: Arctic, polymetallic volcanogenic massive sulfide, and bornite, carbonate-hosted copper-cobalt, covering 448,217 acres in one of the world's most prospective copper-dominant districts. Currently trading at $4.65, TMQ represents a leveraged play on U.S. critical minerals policy and copper demand explosion. Analyst consensus shows one-year price target of $7.80, representing 68% upside, with forecasts ranging up to $13.80 for 2030. The transformational scenario: if Ambler Road construction proceeds, mining operations commence by 2027 to 2028, copper prices surge above $5 per pound driven by AI data center build-out, and federal support accelerates through additional Defense Production Act investments, the stock could reach $15 to $25 over 3 to 5 years, representing 223% to 438% gains. The risk scenario: environmental challenges delay Ambler Road, copper prices decline, permitting faces additional hurdles, or capital requirements exceed projections. The stock could decline to $2.50-3.50, representing 25 to 46% downside. December 18, 2025, Cormark upgraded TMQ to buy from market performs, citing improving fundamentals and Ambler Road progress. December 17, 2025, Ambler Metals LLC approved $35 million budget for 2026 exploration and development activities. December 15, 2025, Trump administration announced plans for more historic deals with U.S. mining sector to boost critical mineral production. October 24, 2025, Alaska Industrial Development and Export Authority executed right-of-way permits for the Ambler Access Road, critical 211-mile infrastructure removing major development hurdle. October 2025, U.S. Department of Defense invested $35.6 million validating strategic national security importance of UKMP copper-cobalt zinc resources. Trilogy presents compelling opportunity at intersection of critical minerals shortage, federal mining support, and copper demand explosion from AI infrastructure. The Pentagon investment validates strategic importance. $35.6 million Defense Department funding signals federal government views UKMP as critical for national security, defense applications, and reducing Chinese mineral dependence. The Ambler Road breakthrough is transformational. After years of regulatory battles, right-of-way permits secured, enabling $1.7 billion infrastructure project providing road access to extract and transport minerals. Without road access, world-class deposits remain stranded assets. The copper demand tailwind is massive. AI data centers require 3-5x more copper than traditional facilities. Microsoft, Google, Amazon building massive AI infrastructure creating unprecedented copper demand while global supply faces deficits. The $35 million 2026 budget funds aggressive exploration, resource expansion, and pre-construction engineering, positioning for production startup when Ambler Road completes. There you have it, Trilogy Metals, trading at $4.65 with 68% upside to $7.80 analyst target, $35.6 million Pentagon investment, Ambler Road permits secured, $35 million 2026 budget, and 50% interest in Alaska's premier copper-zinc-cobalt district. With federal mining support accelerating and copper demand exploding from AI, this could be the ultimate critical minerals strategic play. What's your take? Is domestic mining the next megatrend? Drop your thoughts below. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Investing. Remember, this is educational content, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.